Most bonsai you will ever see fall into just a few classic styles. Once you know them, you start spotting them everywhere. In gardens, forests, even in trees growing out of cracks in cliffs. Let's look at 5 of the most important bonsai styles. First is formal upright, called Chokkan in Japanese. This is the most disciplined bonsai form. The trunk grows perfectly straight, like a pillar, thick at the base and gradually tapering as it rises. The branches alternate left and right as they move upward, creating a calm, balanced structure. Formal upright trees represent a tree growing in perfect conditions. No strong winds, no competition, just steady, confident growth toward the sky. When done well, a formal upright bonsai feels powerful and ancient, even though the tree might only be a few decades old. The second style is informal upright, known as Moyogi. This is one of the most common bonsai styles because it reflects how trees actually grow in nature. Instead of being perfectly straight, the trunk curves gently as it rises. Each bend creates movement and interest, but the apex still finishes directly above the base. The key idea here is natural movement. Trees rarely grow perfectly straight in the wild. Wind, light, and competition cause them to bend and adjust over time. That gentle movement is what makes informal upright bonsai feel alive. If you enjoy learning about bonsai design and how these trees are created, consider subscribing now because we explore these ideas in simple, beginner-friendly ways every week. The third style is Cascade, called Kengai. This style mimics trees growing on steep mountain cliffs. Snow, gravity, and rock falls push the tree downward over time. As a result, the trunk flows below the pot, sometimes dramatically hanging like a waterfall. Cascade bonsai often use deeper pots to support the downward movement of the trunk. The result is one of the most dramatic and visually striking forms in bonsai. The fourth style is windswept, known as Fukinagashi. In this design, the entire tree leans in one direction as if shaped by years of powerful wind. The trunk, branches, and foliage all move the same way, telling a story of survival in harsh conditions. It captures a moment in nature where the environment has clearly shaped the tree. Finally, there is Literati, called Bunjin. This style is very different from most bonsai. Instead of a thick trunk and many branches, Literati trees are tall, thin, and minimal. The trunk often twists dramatically with very sparse foliage near the top. It is inspired by old trees struggling for light in crowded forests, growing tall and elegant as they compete for space. Once you understand these 5 styles, you start seeing bonsai differently. They are not random shapes. They are visual stories about how trees grow and survive in nature. Next time you look at a bonsai, try asking yourself a simple question. What story is this tree telling? And if you want to learn how to recognize these styles instantly, shape your own trees, and understand the principles behind great bonsai design, subscribe and explore more here on Bonsai Barn.